Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to restart your Google Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. In this video, I will show you three different methods to reboot your Pixel 10 series. Let's see one by one. First method is you can use the power button or volume up button on your device. So here you can see the power button and volume up button. Long press both at the same time and you can see the power menu on your Pixel 10 series. Now you can see the power menu. Tap on a restart to restart your Pixel 10 series. Second method, you can use the power button in the quick setting tiles. So swipe down the notification panel twice from the top. At the bottom right corner, you can see the power button icon. Tap on it. Now you can see again the power menu. Tap on a restart to restart your device. You can also use the only side button or a power button on your device. By default, when you long press it, you can see launch the Gemini on your device. So you need to change it by swipe down the notification panel at the top right corner. Tap on the setting gear icon at the bottom right. Now scroll down until you can see the system option. Tap on it. Now tap on the gestures. Here you can find the option press and hold power button option on your device. So tap on it. By default, you can see share the digital assistant. So select the power menu. Now when you long press the power button on your picture, you can see the launch the power menu. Now tap on a restart to restart your Google Pixel 10 series. Wait, it will take 40 to 50 seconds to restart your Google Pixel 10 series. So this is the all three method to restart your Google Pixel 10 and any other Pixel device running the Android 16 version. That's it. If you like it, share it, also hype it if you like this video. Thank you for watching this.